Cash in, turn your opinion into dollar bills. Want to make some extra cash? Imagine having a side hustle that fits perfectly into your daily routine. You know, money for that new phone, a weekend getaway, or just paying bills without stress. Think about the freedom and flexibility that extra income can bring. Well, get this, you can get paid for sharing your opinion. Yes, your thoughts and feedback are valuable. No, seriously, companies need your feedback to make their products and services better. And they're willing to pay for it. Your insights help shape the future of products you use every day. Online surveys are your ticket to easy money, right from your couch. It's as simple as sharing your thoughts on various topics. Imagine chilling in your PJs, watching your favorite show, and earning cash on the side. No need to commute or adhere to a strict schedule. That's the beauty of online surveys. You're in control. You decide when and where to work whenever you want, wherever you want, whether it's at a cozy coffee shop or from the comfort of your home. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets to survey success? It's easier than you think. Let's dive in and turn those opinions into cold, hard cash. Start today and watch your earnings grow. Your opinion matters, and now it can pay off in more ways than one. Join the community of people who are already making money from their opinions. It's time to get started and see the benefits for yourself. Remember, every survey completed is a step closer to your financial goals. So, what are you waiting for? Turn your opinions into dollar bills today. Picking your battles. Choosing the right survey sites. Not all survey sites are created equal. Some pay peanuts while others offer real rewards. The key is knowing where to look. First up, check out reputable survey platforms like Swagbucks, Junkie, and Vindale Research. These platforms have millions of users and a proven track record of paying out. Next, look for sites that specialize in your interests. Love tech gadgets? Find sites that focus on technology surveys. Passionate about fashion? Seek out fashion-centric platforms. Remember, it's all about maximizing your earnings. Choose sites that value your time and offer rewards that align with your financial goals. Level up your survey game tips for maximum earnings. Now that you've found the right platforms, it's time to up your survey game. Here are some insider tips to boost your earnings. Create a dedicated email address. Keep survey invitations separate from your personal inbox to stay organized. Fill out your profile completely. The more information you provide, the more relevant surveys you'll receive. Be honest and consistent. Providing accurate information ensures you're matched with the right surveys. Follow these tips to unlock higher-paying surveys and watch your earnings soar. Speed Demon. Mastering the art of quick completion. Time is money, right? In the world of online surveys, the faster you complete them, the more you can earn. Don't rush through mindlessly, though. Accuracy still matters. The key is to develop a rhythm, finding that sweet spot between speed and accuracy. Practice makes perfect. As you complete more surveys, you'll naturally become quicker and more efficient. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Set realistic goals, pace yourself, and watch your earnings steadily grow. Section 5. Honesty is the best policy avoiding disqualification traps. Here's the deal. Survey companies are smart. They use sophisticated algorithms to detect inconsistent responses and fraudulent behavior. So how do you stay on the right side of the line? It's simple. Be honest. Don't try to game the system or provide false information. Pay attention to each question and answer thoughtfully. Avoid rushing through, as this can lead to careless mistakes. Remember, consistent and genuine responses are key to maximizing your earnings. Play it smart, play it fair, and you'll reap the rewards. Section 6. Market Research, your secret weapon for big bucks. Ready to level up your earning potential? Enter the world of market research. Think of market research as online surveys on steroids. These studies go deeper, often involving focus groups, product testing, and in-depth interviews. Why the extra effort? Because companies are willing to pay a premium for your insights. They need valuable feedback to make critical business decisions. By participating in market research, you're not just earning money, you're shaping the future of products and services. Section 7. Focus groups, share your thoughts, get paid. Focus groups are where your voice truly matters. Imagine sitting down with a small group of people, sharing your thoughts on a new product or service, and getting paid for it. Focus groups typically involve in-depth discussions, allowing you to provide detailed feedback and engage with other participants. These sessions can be conducted online or in person, offering flexibility and convenience. Plus, the pay is often significantly higher than traditional surveys. It's a win-win. You get to share your opinions and earn a nice chunk of change in the process. Ever wanted to be the first to try the latest gadgets, beauty products, or household items? Product testing opportunities allow you to do just that, all while earning rewards. Companies need feedback on their products before they hit the market, and they rely on people like you to provide valuable insights. You might be asked to test out a new smartphone, try a new brand of coffee, or even review the latest video game. The possibilities are endless. Get paid to experience the future and shape the products of tomorrow. Do you have specialized knowledge or skills? Are you passionate about a particular industry? If so, you can leverage your expertise to earn even more money. Many market research companies seek out individuals with specific backgrounds or experiences. They might need doctors to provide medical insights, teachers to evaluate educational materials, or financial experts to share their market knowledge. Platforms like Respondent and User Interviews connect experts with researchers, offering opportunities to participate in high-paying studies. Don't underestimate the value of your expertise. Share your knowledge, make a difference, and get paid handsomely for it. Think making money with online surveys and market research is too good to be true? Well, think again. The digital age has opened up a plethora of opportunities for individuals from all walks of life to earn extra income right from the comfort of their homes. Whether you're a busy parent, a diligent student, or a creative freelancer, there's a way for you to tap into this lucrative market. Don't just take our word for it. Here are some real-life success stories to inspire you and show you what's possible when you take advantage of these opportunities. Sarah, a stay-at-home mom, used online surveys to earn extra income while raising her children, averaging an extra $500 per month. This additional income allowed her to contribute to household expenses, and even save for family vacations. John, a college student, paid off his student loans early by dedicating a few hours each week to focus groups and product testing. His commitment not only eased his financial burden, but also gave him valuable insights into various industries. Maria, a freelance writer, supplemented her income by participating in market research studies related to her writing niche. This not only provided her with extra cash, but also helped her stay updated with the latest trends in her field. These are just a few examples of the countless individuals who have used online surveys and market research to achieve their financial goals. If they can do it, so can you. The key is to stay consistent, be patient, and explore the various opportunities available. So why wait? Start your journey today and see how online surveys and market research can transform your financial future. You've learned the secrets, you've heard the success stories, now it's time to take action. The journey to survey success is not just about knowing what to do, but actually doing it. Don't wait for the perfect moment because it will never come. Start small, sign up for a reputable survey site, and complete a few surveys. Each survey you complete is a step towards your goal. As you gain experience and confidence, you can explore higher-paying opportunities like focus groups and product testing. These opportunities not only pay more, but also offer a chance to share your opinions on products and services you use every day. Set aside dedicated time each week, even if it's just for 30 minutes, and watch your earnings steadily grow. Consistency is the key to success in the world of online surveys. The world of online surveys and market research is vast and full of potential. Embrace the opportunity, share your voice, and unlock the door to financial freedom. Your journey starts today. Remember, every opinion counts, and every survey completed brings you closer to your financial goals. So, take that first step, stay committed, and enjoy the rewards that come with being an active participant in the world of online surveys.